Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about introduction to internet. Static web page. The static web pages display the same content each time when someone visits. It takes less time to load over the internet. No database used. Dynamic web page. In dynamic web pages, the page content changes according to the user. Dynamic web pages take more time while loading. A database is used in the server end in a dynamic web page. Web server. A web server is a computer that stores web server software and a website's component files. The server computer should have a relatively high-speed internet connection and powerful enough to deal with a number of connections from the internet at the same time. When the client sends request for a web page, the server searches for the requested page. If the page is found, then it will send to the client. If the page is not there, the server will send an error message. Hosting of a website. Web hosting is an online service that enables to publish website or web application on the internet. When we sign up for a hosting service, we basically rent some space on the server on which we can store all the files and data necessary for the website to work properly. A server is a physical computer that runs without any interruption, so that your website is available all the time for anyone who wants to see it. Web browsers. A web browser is an application used to access and view websites. Common web browsers include Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, etc. Plugins. A plugin is a software component that adds a specific feature to an existing computer program. When a program supports plugins, it enables customization. Plugins are commonly used in internet browsers but also can be utilized in numerous other types of applications. Add-ons. An add-on is either a hardware unit that can be added to a computer to increase program utility that enhances primary program. Some manufacturers and software developers use the term add-on. Examples of add-on for computer include cards for sound, memory, graphic acceleration, etc. And software add-ons are common for games, word processing, and accounting programs. Cookies. Cookies are messages that a web server transmits to a web browser so that the web server can keep track of the user's activity on a specific website. Cookies contains information like which web page visited in the past, login details, passwords, etc. These are the different points that we discussed today. Please study and write these points to your notebook.